Today we are looking at FZ-55, how to change the hard drive. So that's how you take out the caddy. And there are 4 screws. See, one, 2, 3, and 4. And then that part comes out. The metal part came out. You see the hard drive there. And if it's MK1, MK2, MK3, NVMe drives will fit in. MK1 will take the M.2, but MK2 and MK3 you have to have NVMe. NVMe will have 1 slot here. Oh, this has got 2 slots.
Yeah, 2 slot.
Oh, okay. This will go only with MK1, but with MK2 you can use the single slot one. See this one? This has got only 1 slot. This is NVMe. NVMe will work with MK1, MK2, MK3. So you put it there and put the screw. Close it up and then put that black thing there. That's the locking mechanism there. Put another black thing here, and the metal thing closes it up, and put the 4 screws back in.